Nice job.
Turkey hunt turns into a coyote hunt.
Took full pattern there, boy.
There's turkeys in the field. I was wondering what they just took off flying.
Nice.
I was like, what the hell are they flying for? And I spotted that out there.
Was there any gobblers or?
One gobbled just a little bit ago, right before I shot. But hey,
That thing come just bored.
I didn't even think it could hear me lip squeaking.
Oh yeah.
I looked up and it was full charging right in. Then it seen us, and I'm like, oh, time to shoot.
Spotted us instantly.
Took full pattern. Big male. Well, we didn't kill any turkeys, but we saved some.
Yeah, he must have been after them turkeys, huh?
Yeah. I was wondering why that one took off his full speed just flying. There's no way they seen us. And it was just right there.
Huh.
See, turkey loads do kill them.